Okay, so we're going to create the home screen. Do you remember the last thing we need to do? It's only to copy all of them and create new layout here and new. Okay, sorry, I mean we can new file, and this is home screen .xml, and go to text, and we just need to paste the design. Okay, so right now we just need to remove the images view, and I'm going back to the sketch to see our, so the background, we can see the background color is F9, F9 and F9. We can copy and go back to your Android, and background is F9, F9, F9. Okay, but the question is how we can make the status bar. I'm so sorry, we can't, because if we only setting for the one color, so it's only one color, so we already setting the status bar into the blue. So right now we just use the one blue, we can't use this one. Okay, so I'm sorry. So we gonna to create these buttons. We go to Android Studio and design, and I wanna zoom it. Okay, so we only working with the button, it's so simple. We're gonna to text and remove this button, but first just make sure we already copy all of buttons. Copy and go to drawable, and okay, so right here we can background drawable featured button, and it's so big, so we're gonna to copy this width and height, and the height. Okay, and go back to your design and just make like this, and setting top, right and left. And we can see in the sketch, in the top we already to create 16, left 16 and the right 16. So go to properties and make all of them to 16. Oops, what's wrong with this one? Okay, and setting the layout width to the match parent. Okay. So this is our button, and we just need to create the another button. Just drag and drop like this, and go to text again and remove the here, and we need to change the background to drawable, so the buttons start from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Drawable 1 button. I'm sorry, I got a mistake here. So background drawable 1 button. Okay, and it's so big, so we're gonna to change the size 156 and 170. Okay, and we're gonna to design and setting the margin top and the margin left. Okay, so the margin top is 16, all of them 16. It's pretty easy. And the question is, I want to copy this button, just copy and paste and just drag and drop like this, but just remove this because we don't need. So just go to here, and we just need to setting the right like this, and it's gonna be 16. Hold on. Oh, I got a problem, I think. So the margin, the screen, it's different. So this is 360 and this is more than 300, so this is 700. So That's not big deal. We can make it like this, and I want to like this. Sorry, I think we need to increase the margin, so remove this. We just need to increase the margin top like this, okay, and like this, okay. And right now we just go to the text for this, and I want to change it background drawable to button, so we have different button here. And just make sure you don't miss the ID, so don't worry, we will fix the ID later after we create the all of buttons. So go back to design, and we're gonna to copy and paste again, and like this, okay. But you can see the problem is we can't use the scroll, so we go back it to the 16 again. It's okay. We go back to 16 again, and we move here, okay. Or we have the solution to make it more small. Maybe the height should be small like this, okay. And this is on DP, and this is okay. So just keep it one screen, but if you want to one screen, you can use the large screen. As you can see, we have the large screen here, which is this one, so large, okay. So you can use it, okay, not problem. But we need to consider about the another screen. So let's check get start. Okay, it's okay, not problem. And let's get to the splash. I'm sorry, go to design. Okay, not problem. So we are using the Nexus 6. We sorting again to the 100, okay, and this is also, and this is, and this is, yes, and setting the margin, no, margin top is 16, the margin left is 16, okay, pretty cool. And then we just need to change this button to another background. I'm sorry, I got a mistake here. First click here, and you will get here this button, and we can change it to the 3, okay. Okay, one more button again. We can copy and paste and make here, and remove the dots like this, and setting to the 16, and the margin to the 16, yeah. So it's gonna be like this. I know the space of this it's make it look bad, so I know we can increase it to maybe, and this is to, okay, we need to try something. Okay, I think it's working, so just do it. Okay, it's more easy. So in the cap, you can see we're gonna to change this background to the 4 button. Okay, so if you see, oh my god, oh, this one. So you can see we have this and this. It's pretty cool. And I wanted to improve this, maybe 200. Yeah, it's good right now. Looks cool, isn't it? So in the next video we will design the detail screen.